I like the fact that the students walk out of it going, wow, this is kind of a neat technology. I've never even heard about this. In a semantic web, everything is just basically known as a triple, which is a noun, a verb, and an object, okay? Ahmed eats food. Ryan eats food. Now you multiply that times all the people in the world. What's the most popular food?
Example, like you can think of a pizza. What is the structure? You need to think about what are the toppings are, like a thin crust or the thick crust. And then we build some points to connect these things together, really understand the relationship of these words.
One of the things we're interested in is trying to identify more the connections between decentralized finance networks as a way of tracing and identifying patterns within really smaller sets of data, understanding what's history telling us.
Brandeis always pursue innovation and various collaboration with international firms and organizations.
This is our 11th semester, and it's something that we've built on each semester. The first couple of semesters, we focused on compliance-related topics, and we brought in some of the experts at Fidelity to join the Brandeis students.
I come to Brandeis for my MBA journey, got the chance to work with FCAP, and luckily, I got hired by Fidelity after this semester as a business analyst.
We're bringing the outside in. By working with these students, they may bring different perspectives, and we bring some of the Fidelity, knowledge and industry experience to the students.
We explore new ways of helping ordinary customers with their financial lives.
And that turned into how can we harness and actually model financial things that are done here and see if there's some kind of commitment that should be made by the firm to actually adopt that technology.
So it's almost like a TV series because we from project to project to project. If you're lucky, you could be in charge of creating a product that will actually create new data, which is the best kind.
Every one of the semester's work with Brandeis, we've really been blown away by how quickly they learn new businesses and apply these new technologies. That is what really makes a successful university engagement.